आज के इस वीडियो में आप दीक्षा प्रशिक्षण के टीपीडी कोर्स कोविड-19 रिस्पॉन्सिव बिहेवियर के क्विज के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करेंगे। नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का हमारे चैनल ऑनलाइन वाला ज्ञान में स्वागत है। अगर आप चैनल पर पहली बार आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही साथ नोटिफिकेशन बेल को भी दबाना न भूलें। आइए अब वीडियो पर आगे बढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग best represents appropriate behaviors during COVID-19? Options हैं ensuring safe physical distance during intake of meal MDM, clean and disinfect the toilet block twice a day, all clean and disinfect cooking servicing eating area and surfaces before and after every meal। इसका सही उत्तर है all। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलेंगे। Which among the following should be made mandatory in the schools as a key measure during COVID-19 pandemic? Options हैं continue routine activity as usual as in pre-COVID-19 period, conduct frequent group meetings for learning achievement, stagger meal timings to ensure 100% hand wash with soap for 40 seconds before meals, allow visitors parents to come school for overseeing the safety and preventive arrangement। इसका सही उत्तर है stagger meal timing to ensure 100% hand wash with soap for 40 seconds before meal। अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलेंगे। Which immediate improvement can be prioritized to be taken up instantly over other priorities to limit the spread COVID-19 pandemic while school reopens? विकल्प है construction of new bathroom for improved personal hygiene, construction of good approach road in front of the school for convenience of the student teacher, construction of new kitchen shed cum storeroom, installation upgradation of low no touch affordable hand washing stations। इसका सही उत्तर है installation upgradation of low no touch affordable hand washing stations। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलेंगे। If staff student is unwell, sick with COVID-19 like symptoms, then should they be encouraged to come to school during COVID-19? विकल्प है no, yes, but with the written permission of parents, yes, with appropriate protective measures as mask, gloves, etc, yes, but after through scanning। इसका सही उत्तर है no। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलेंगे। Which among the following measures best explains the precautions for toilet use in schools during COVID-19? विकल्प है avoid overcrowding in the toilet, prepare a schedule if toilets are less, do not enter the toilet barefoot, clean and disinfected toilets in schools। इसका सही उत्तर है all। अब अगले प्रश्न पर चलेंगे। What among the following should be included in personal protective equipment PPE to be used by sanitation workers in school setting during COVID-19? विकल्प है hand gloves, face cover, mask, face shield and safety goggles। hand gloves, face cover, mask, face shield, hand gloves, face cover, mask, hand gloves। इसका सही उत्तर है hand gloves, face cover, mask, face shield, सेफ्टी गॉगल्स। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलेंगे। इसको यहां से बड़ा कर लेते हैं पहले। इन व्यू ऑफ द कोविड-19 व्हाट इज द मिनिमम रिकमेंडेड फ्रीक्वेंसी फॉर क्लीनिंग ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंटली टच सरफेसेस इन स्कूल्स सच एज हैंडरेल्स, डोर नॉब्स, स्विचेस, द सरफेस ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर कंटेनर्स, हैंड वॉशिंग स्टेशंस, टॉयलेट ब्लॉक्स, चेयर्स एटसेट्रा। विकल्प है twice a day, once in 2 days, daily, once in a week। इसका सही उत्तर है twice a day। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलेंगे। Which among the following is not recommended to ensure respiratory hygiene during COVID-19? विकल्प है dispose used tissue paper napkin in the dustbin, if don't have a tissue paper napkin, cough or sneeze on your folded elbow, cover mouth and nose with a tissue paper napkin when you cough or sneeze. If don't have a tissue paper napkin, cough or sneeze into your hands palm. इसका सही उत्तर है फोर्थ. If don't have a tissue paper napkin, cough or sneeze into your hands palm. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलेंगे. What among the following is the most preferred material for hand washing to prevent COVID-19 spread? विकल्प है mud, ash, hand sanitizers, soap and water. सही उत्तर है soap and water. अगले प्रश्न पर चलेंगे. What is the recommended hand washing time duration with soap and water for effective hand washing by a person? विकल्प है मैक्सिमम 20 सेकेंड्स, मैक्सिमम 10 सेकेंड, मैक्सिमम 50 सेकेंड, मैक्सिमम 40 सेकेंड. इसका सही उत्तर है मैक्सिमम 40 सेकेंड. अगले प्रश्न पर चलेंगे. अंडर विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग साइट्स स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स, स्टाफ शुड इंश्योर एडहेरेंस टू फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग और अवॉइड कोविड-19 स्प्रेड इन स्कूल कंटेक्स्ट? विकल्प है क्लासरूम, ड्यूरिंग मीटिंग्स एट द स्कूल एंट्रेंस, exit and meal lunch time, all at hand washing station. इसका सही उत्तर है all. अगले प्रश्न पर अब चलेंगे. What among the following is the suggested physical distancing to avoid COVID-19 transmission? विकल्प है 8 feet, 1 foot, 4 feet, 6 feet. इसका सही उत्तर है 6 feet. अगले प्रश्न पर अब चलेंगे. Which among the following is not true regarding use of the face cover mask during COVID-19? विकल्प है person without symptoms of COVID-19 need not to wear mask. All people need to wear mask preferably. Homemade masks are equally effective and desirable to be used by general people. Person with symptoms of COVID-19 need to wear mask. इसका सही उत्तर है persons without symptoms of COVID-19 need not to wear mask. अब अगले प्रश्न पर चलेंगे. What among the following is not true regarding use of mask to avoid COVID-19 spread? विकल्प है touch only the bands or ties when putting on and taking off your mask. Share your spare mask with colleagues when he or she doesn't have. If the mask is disposable, throw it into a specified dustbin after uses. Make sure the mask fits to cover your nose, mouth and chin. इसका सही उत्तर है share your spare mask with colleague when she doesn't have. अगले प्रश्न पर अब चलेंगे. What is not among key preventive measure against the COVID-19 disease? विकल्प है use of mask, hand hygiene, physical distancing, drinking hot water. इसका सही उत्तर use of mask. अब अगले प्रश्न पर चलेंगे. Which among the following is not a common mean of transmission of coronavirus? विकल्प है through droplets, through hands, through surfaces, through water. इसका सही उत्तर है through water. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलेंगे. What is true about COVID-19 and coronavirus? विकल्प है there is no relation between these two. COVID-19 disease can be caused by the coronavirus. Coronavirus is consequences of COVID-19 disease. COVID-19 and coronavirus both means the same. इसका सही उत्तर है COVID-19 disease can be caused by the coronavirus. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलेंगे. In the context of COVID-19, what is the relative importance of safe and hygiene school environment in comparison to pre-pandemic period? विकल्प है both A and B are right. Higher than pre-pandemic period, same as it was in pre-pandemic period, lower than pre-pandemic period. इसका सही उत्तर है higher than pre-pandemic period. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलेंगे. इस प्रकार से हमने सभी 18 क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे दिया है. अब हम इसे सबमिट करेंगे. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि योर स्कोर इज 18/18. सभी प्रश्नों का हमने सही उत्तर दे दिया है. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। वीडियो अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।